briefly, let's go over GitLab 2. Share my entire team. Share the entire team. Yes. Thank you. Okay, so this is GitLab 2. We have to do a bunch of stuff. I've already done it and submitted. It's so when they say create a new repository on your computer, this can be confusing for new people. It just means like I showed you guys, make a new folder, right? Like GitLab 2, or I'll just do it right now. I'll make a new folder, call it GitLab 2 dash demo. Go to that folder. If you're on Windows, just type git bash or just press git bash here. Right click git bash here. If you're on Mac, you have to use the terminal to change directly to it. You can see I'm in this directory right now. So that this means that any folder or any file that I create will be saved in this directory, right? And it says initialize or create a new repository on your computer. That means this is the one, right? Yeah. Let me close the older one. I have two terminals open. Yeah, close them. All you have to do is type git in it. That's it. So this is what it means to create a new repository. Add SQL and SAS scripts. So there are two scripts or two files that you have to download and add to your repository. That's just, you can use it using your file explorer. You don't have to do it with the terminal. Copy paste or cut and paste it to it in this directory, in this folder. Turn on tracking. That means add it to your, so git add, right? Do that. Okay, you know what? I will go over, I'll do it entirely right now. One sec. I'll just do it. I'll just do the first 6 to 7 of the steps shown here, just for demonstration purposes. Okay, so create a new repository. We have already done that. Git init. Add the scripts. So go to your downloads, but go to the folder that you just created, GitLab 2 demo, and paste. That's it, right? Add it to your folder and turn on tracking. That means just add the files. If you want to add all the files in a folder, you do this, and it's going to automatically do it. It's going to show up this error, ls will be replaced by so and so. That's fine. That's just a quirk of the text editing, the text editor. Don't need to worry about that. Once you have added this file, you can see he's asking us to commit. So just committing as per step 4. That's it. 2 files have been added, and alter the SQL file. So if I go to this folder, you guys can see all this, right? I'm just making sure.
Yes, we can.
Okay, that's great. So you can edit the SQL file using an editor of your choice. You can open it with Notepad because really all code is just text. You can see it says select count something from customers. He's saying alter the SQL file to count the number of records by a field called gender. I'm only going to show this one just for demonstration purposes, what he means. Just this, that's it. Save it, close it, and check the status. If you check the status now, it's going to say, I'm going to predict what's going to happen. It's going to say that the SQL file has been modified and it's not being staged yet. The changes have not been staged. You can see it's in red, it's been modified and the changes have not been staged. Step 7 says stage the file. That means git add customer account .sql. I'm staging the file. Now if I run status, you'll see it's in green. That's all. That's it. So it's the same thing as we did in the demo exercises. I'm just doing it with these two files. I hope that makes it clear. We can stop the recording now. I guess we've covered GitLab 2.